Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to this update video on the tropics. So we have two systems to talk about in this video. We have what is still or potential tropical cyclone 3 eventually expected to achieve tropical storm status today according to the name Claudette. And over in the eastern Pacific, we have what is now tropical storm Dolores. And so this storm is going to be a threat to Mexico. We have watches and warnings in place, and there is a hurricane watch in place as well. So is Dolores going to achieve hurricane status just before moving inland, and what impacts are anticipated? And so guys, before I go into details, okay guys, and so now into details with these systems. So let us kickstart things with our potential tropical cyclone 3. So it is located in the Gulf of Mexico at this time, and we're seeing here on satellites that it's not so organized, but it is expected to be getting a lot better organized through today. It has a very limited time though, because it is going to be moving inland very early tomorrow morning. And so guys, we have watches and warnings that are in place. So now looking at the cone forecast from the National Hurricane Center, we're seeing here that it has sustained winds of 35 miles per hour, and it is accelerated northward at 14 miles per hour. And so guys, we're expecting landfall early Saturday morning. And so what you are seeing in blue is a tropical storm warning that is in effect for east of Morgan City, Louisiana to the Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida, and also for Lake Pontchartrain, Lake Morpeth, and metropolitan New Orleans. So those areas are under a tropical storm warning, and tropical storm-like conditions could begin within about 12 hours or so. And so other areas along the Gulf Coast can expect the system here to bring impacts, and so we're expecting heavy rainfall from the system here. So looking at the rainfall potential map, so the different colors here indicate different amounts. So we have that light green showing indicating an inch of rain, that darker green showing 2 inches, the yellow being 4, and the orange being 6, and the red being 10 guys. And so we're seeing here that it is mainly the most southeasterly portion of Louisiana, the most southerly portions of Mississippi and Alabama, and the most westerly side of the Florida Panhandle that are expected to receive the highest amount of rainfall from our potential tropical cyclone, guys. And so other southern areas can expect maybe from about 1 to about 4 inches of rainfall. So if you're in any of those areas, you want to ensure that you're not in an area that is flood prone, and you don't want to be near the coastline, because there is going to be the inundation from the storm surge. And so maximum surge heights can be up to about 3 feet, guys. So you want to ensure that you are well inland, you're not in a flood prone area, and that you are safe, guys. So please take necessary precautions and stay safe. Time is running out. And so guys, now let us go on to our newly formed tropical storm Dolores. And so Dolores has sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, and it is accelerating to the west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. And so we're expecting that this storm here is going to be near hurricane strength at landfall, and so it's really going to be grazing the western coastline of Mexico. It's going to be affecting especially that area there, guys. And so at this time, there is a tropical storm warning in effect for Lazaro Cardenas to Cabo Corrientes in Mexico. A hurricane watch is in effect for Punta Saltelma to Cabo Corrientes. A tropical storm watch is also in effect for north of Cabo Corrientes to Escuinapa, Mexico. And the tropical storm warning means that tropical storm-like conditions are possible within about 24 to 36 hours, and a hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions are possible within about 36 hours, guys. And so this system here is going to be strengthening as it is going to be making its way towards the coastline of Mexico. And so guys, it is possible that we could have a hurricane, because the maximum intensity expected as of right now is 70 miles per hour, just 4 miles per hour short of being a Cat 1. And so I wouldn't be surprised if this system manages to achieve hurricane status. So again, if you are along the western coastline of Mexico, especially in the areas under watches and warnings, please take necessary precautions and please stay safe, guys. So this system here is expected to make landfall about sometime late Saturday, late tomorrow, and then by Sunday it's going to be moving inland. Fortunately, it's going to be much weaker, and it is expected to become post-tropical by that point, guys. And so on satellite view here we have Dolores, and so as you're seeing, it is quite disorganized. And so this means that areas that are not even under a tropical storm watch or warning might experience heavy rainfall from this system, guys, because it's not so compact, guys. And so, guys, just re-emphasizing that you should all take necessary precautions and stay safe from the system. Do not attempt to cross flooded roadways. Ensure that you're not in a flood prone area. Don't be along the coastline. Don't go to the beach. Just stay indoors and stay safe, guys. And so, guys, that is it for this update. And if you found it to be quite informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can, and just remember to always be weatherwise.